In this video, let me show you how to pair AirPods with your MacBook Neo. Let's get started. Depending which AirPods you have, it will be slightly different. I'll tell you both ways. So if the case of your AirPods has a button on the back, what you need to do is, well, make sure both of them are in the case, close the case, open it, and now keep press that button until the light on the front is blinking white. This will mean that they are in pairing mode. If you have newer AirPods like these that don't have a button in the back, put them inside, close the case, open it, and now double tap on the light on the front. And you're going to see it blinking white. At this point, no matter which model you have, put the case on the side of the MacBook. Don't close it, leave it like that. Just put it on the side. And over here, we're going to go on the top right corner. Click on this specific icon. Click on Bluetooth settings. This will open, and all you have to do now is to click the connect button on the right side of your AirPods. It will ask you if you want to enable Siri. It's up to you. If you don't want, click cancel. If you want, click enable. And just like that, they are connected. As you see, you can see the battery of the AirPods and the case. Now you can go ahead, put them in your ears, and the sound will come out of your earpods and not of the speaker of your MacBook. If your AirPods have noise cancelling and other features, you can access them simply by going on the top right corner. Click on the same icon you clicked previously, go on where you see sound, and click this icon on the right side. You'll be able to switch between transparency mode, adaptive, and noise cancellation, or if your AirPods have spatial audio or other features, well, they'll all be accessible over here. On top of that, if, for example, somebody comes and you want to switch to the speakers of your MacBook so everyone can listen to whatever is playing, you can go where you see output on the top and click on MacBook Neo speakers instead, and the sound will switch back to the speakers. Once you're done using them, you can simply put them back in the case, close it, and the MacBook will see that you put them back and will switch back automatically to the MacBook Neo speakers without you having to click on anything. Otherwise, this is it. Thanks for watching. Check my Amazon links down below if you want to get a pair of AirPods or many other accessories that are compatible with the Neo, adapters, cables, etc. Subscribe, like, and comment down below.